Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the channel where we dig deep into the details of the latest products to give you the insights that matter. Today we're looking at the Breville Bluicer Blender and Juicer BJB 615SHY, a 2-in-1 appliance that promises to blend, juice, and everything in between. With a sleek smoked hickory finish and a slew of impressive features, is this appliance really the space-saving kitchen superhero it claims to be? Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the Breville Bluicer stands out for its unique dual-purpose design. It blends and juices, allowing you to create everything from fresh fruit juices to smoothies and cocktails. But what sets it apart from other blenders and juicers? One of the standout features is its wide 3.5-inch feed chute. This allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting, saving you time in the kitchen. The 50-ounce jug and 3.2-quart pulp bin offer ample capacity, so you can make enough juice or smoothies for the whole family. Cold spin technology ensures that the temperature remains low while extracting juice, which means you get to enjoy all the nutrients without any heat degradation, something juice enthusiasts will appreciate. The Bluicer comes with 4 one-touch programs, including Smoothie, Pulse, Ice Crush, Frozen Cocktail, and Auto Clean. These preset functions make it incredibly easy to operate, whether you're blending a fruit smoothie, crushing ice for cocktails, or cleaning up after yourself. There's also a vac Q attachment that removes air from the jug before blending, giving your creations smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors. However, it's important to note that the vac Q is sold separately. Now, let's talk real-world usage. Setting up the Breville Bluicer is straightforward, and it takes no time at all to get started. The compact design is a huge plus, especially for those who want a powerful appliance without sacrificing countertop space. Once you've set it up, you'll quickly notice how easy it is to use. The 3.5-inch feed chute lets you throw in whole fruits and vegetables. No need to waste time chopping them up first. This is especially handy when you're juicing hard produce like carrots or beets. The cold spin technology works just as advertised, keeping the juice cool while extracting. When blending, the powerful Kinetix bowl and blade system crushes ice, folds ingredients, and aerates smoothies with ease, making for a smooth and creamy texture every time. But here's the catch. While the blender excels at blending and juicing, it's not quite as efficient with thicker, more fibrous ingredients like kale. For those specific tasks, you might need to stop and scrape down the sides a few times. In terms of performance, the Breville Bluicer shines, but there are some minor setbacks. The 5-speed settings provide flexibility, but if you're after ultra-fine control, you may find yourself wishing for even more options. The overall design is user-friendly, but there is one issue that stood out. While the pulp bin is located behind the base for easy access, it's a bit awkward when trying to remove it while the unit is in use. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. The juicing process itself, thanks to the cold spin technology, is relatively mess-free, though cleaning the mesh filter can be time-consuming if you don't rinse it right away. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Breville Bluicer is incredibly versatile. It can juice, blend, or bluice your favorite ingredients with minimal prep time. The 3.5-inch feed chute is a game changer, and the cold spin technology ensures that your juice stays nutrient-rich. The vac Q, sold separately, offers smoother textures, and the auto clean function is a nice touch to make cleanup a breeze. On the downside, the unit can be a bit bulky, and the pulp bin's awkward placement can make it a little tricky to empty during use. Additionally, the fact that the vac Q is sold separately feels like an unnecessary extra cost, especially since it's marketed as a key feature. When it comes to value for money, the Breville Bluicer is priced higher than your standard blender or juicer, but it offers a combination of features that most standalone appliances don't. For example, the versatility of blending, juicing, and bluicing in one device can save you both time and space in the kitchen. However, at its price point, it's essential to weigh whether these features justify the extra cost. If you're in the market for a solid juicer or blender separately, there are competitors like the Ninja Mega Kitchen System or Vitamix blenders that could serve you well for less money. but they won't offer the same multifunctional capabilities. If you're already invested in a juicer or a blender, you might not need the Breville Bluicer unless you're specifically looking for the combination. Looking at build quality, the Breville Bluicer feels robust. The 1,000-watt motor delivers enough power to handle tough ingredients, and the materials used for construction seem durable. The design is modern and stylish, with a clean smoked hickory finish that will fit in well with most kitchen aesthetics. It's easy to see this unit holding up well over time, although, like any appliance with moving parts, it's always a good idea to follow the manufacturer's care instructions to ensure longevity. Breville, as a brand, has a good reputation for customer support. While I didn't need to contact their service team personally for this review, past experiences with Breville products suggest they're responsive and helpful when issues do arise. Finally, the Breville Bluicer comes with a 2-year warranty, which adds a layer of security if you're concerned about durability. It's always good to have that peace of mind, especially when you're investing in a more expensive appliance. To wrap things up, the Breville Bluicer is a versatile, high-performing appliance that delivers on its promises: blending, juicing, and even creating unique bluest beverages with ease. Its powerful motor and space-saving design make it a solid addition to any kitchen, but the price point and minor design quirks mean it might not be for everyone. If you're someone who values convenience and doesn't mind investing in a 2-in-1 appliance that blends and juices with ease, this could be a great fit. However, if you're looking for a more specialized, high-end juicer or blender for specific tasks, you might want to look at other options on the market. Ultimately, it's about balancing price, functionality, and your personal kitchen needs. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our future reviews. Got questions or thoughts about the Breville Bluicer? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And as always, if you've already tried this product, share your experience with us. Goodbye till next time, and remember, you'll always find the inside scoop right here on Reviews Inside TV.